In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your microphone picking up PC sounds here on Discord. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if people in your Discord call are hearing your game audio, music, or YouTube videos, here's what you're going to want to do. First things first, depending on how your mic connects, go ahead and click the Windows search bar down here at the very bottom and go ahead and type in Realtek Audio Console and open it up. Within here, you're going to want to go ahead and find your microphone settings. Go ahead and open it up, and then you're going to see a few different options in here. Go ahead and make sure that you adjusted and enable acoustic echo cancellation if possible. If you don't obviously use Realtek for your mic or it's not in here, what you're going to want to do is back out of this section and go to Discord. And once you are in Discord, go ahead and select the user settings down in the bottom left to open up a page that looks like this. Go ahead and scroll down until you see the option for voice and video and open up this page right here and just make sure the correct microphone is selected. Not stereo mix, not your speakers, your actual mic itself, which as you can see, mine is set right here. But essentially go ahead and find the option for input sensitivity right here. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is just scroll down a little bit until you see the option to automatically determine the input sensitivity and make sure this is ticked on. Then scroll even further and you're going to see an echo cancellation option right here. Go ahead and set it to standard or crisp right here. Finally, go ahead and continue scrolling down until you see the option for bypass system audio input processing and make sure this is turned on as well. This is going to prevent your PC audio from leaking through the mic. After all of these steps are done, your voice should now be clean and your friends aren't going to hear your PC audio anymore. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.